Today, we're gonna be unboxing our FI exhaust. They were nice enough to send us a whole kit for our 2012 Nissan GT-R. So let's get it open and see what's inside. Finger looking good there. So we're going to be installing the last half of our FI exhaust. This is the back portion. So that's gonna do it for today's install. So we'll recap real quick. So we did the Y pipe, the mid pipe, and the whole back end section of the exhaust. I do wanna add, it was very, very simple to do this exhaust install and looks super clean. We do have a few extra parts to put on before we start the vehicle. So stay tuned, we're gonna do a cold start, ride and drive so you guys can see how this exhaust sounds.
Hey, what's up guys? We got the GT-R put back together. The car has been sitting over the weekend, so she's real cold. So we're gonna get a cold start up on the FI exhaust on the R35. Hold on. It's a freeway entrance, we're not speeding. Oh! The shifts are just, they're so snappy. Not only does the car look fast, it is fast.